everybody, hope you all are doing absolutely great and are absolutely safe and sound as well. So, welcome to another weekly reading with me, Bijal Ritesh Maru at Bliss Yoga by Bijal. How is your week going to be from the 25th to the 31st of July? Well, like last week, this week also sees us all geared up, fully energetic, on the go, striving hard to finish our work, achieving our targets, and yes, we will be super energetic and will be consciously active throughout the week, which is definitely a very good sign that it is good to be working hard towards your goals. But only thing we need to be careful is that everything in this week needs to be in balance. You need to keep your balance in all areas of your life, whether it's your professional life or it is your personal life. Overdoing anything may get a lot of chaos either in that particular thing that you're working on, or it may get chaos in other aspects of your life. So balance of your personal and professional life is a must, and balance in each and everything that you take up this week is also very important. Along with this, last week we were energetic by ourselves, and this week also we will be. But along with it, it's very necessary that we need to work in harmony with people. When I say that, I mean to say that you need to work in group energies, you need to take help from people, you need to work in condition with the resources and nature as well. So group energy, coordinate with your co-workers, delegate work, take help. Don't be in your ego, don't try to do everything on your own. You will be more successful and you will see a lot more results if you work in the energy of a group. Along with this, also like last week, this week will once again revolve around kids and parents. So if you are parents, maybe you will be more focused over your children and even your parents. It can be for either or both of them, but both of them will play a key role, and many aspects of the week will revolve around these two throughout the week. Along with this, male members in your life, whether it's your father, your brother, your husband, your son, or even a very good friend whom you really bond with, will be a major support system this week. You will see a lot coming in from there, and maybe you may be looking up to a lot from them throughout this week. And last but not the least, please practice yoga every single day. I don't say this because I'm a yoga teacher myself, but because the cards have said this, that you need to practice yoga sincerely, as that is what is going to help you get the balance that is required through the week. It will even give you immunity, strength, good health, and a good mental and a physical wellness that is required for each and every one of us in the current times that we are. So I really hope all these guidelines help you have a lovely week. Your zodiac messages, as you know, follow this reading. So please watch them here, or you can even catch them at our Insta FB page at Bliss Yoga by Bijal. Do DM me for personal readings. They are by appointment only. And once again, have a great week. I will see you again next week. Till then, bye-bye and take care. Stay safe.